Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So a while back, I was scrolling through some entry-level marketing jobs. Every single one wanted at least 2 years of experience. I closed the laptop, just frustrated. I mean, how are you supposed to get experience when no one will give you that first chance? It's called entry level for a reason. I'd done the free courses. I'd polished up my LinkedIn profile. I'd even done some volunteer work for a nonprofit. I still could not get a single company to call me back. So finally, I checked out JobPrepped because they were promising this hands-on experience with coaching and resume help. You know, the whole 9 yards. It sounds way too good to be true, but I decided I'd check it out. So today, I'll share my experience with JobPrepped. The good, bad, and whether it's actually worth your time and money if you want to break into digital marketing. So this problem that landing your first gig seems impossible without already having a first gig is what JobPrepped was built to solve. They've been around since 2017. They help beginners and career switchers get into marketing roles quickly. Weeks, like we're talking weeks, not months. The program was created by actual hiring managers, including a former Fortune 500 marketing executive. So it's not just another online course that leaves you hanging. It's designed like a hands-on boot camp that gives you real marketing tasks you can actually put on your resume. You'll learn social media, SEO, email marketing, PPC, analytics, all the core stuff, but it's also set up that you can do so on your own schedule. At the time, I was still working my old job while trying to make this career switch. I needed that flexibility. They also have this personalized coaching. They help you with your resume and your LinkedIn profile, plus provide you over 100 interview strategies. You end up with 7 certifications and nearly 30 bullet points of actual work experience by the time you're done. Now, this ain't one of those, watch some videos and hope for the best situations. JobPrepped takes a more practical approach that actually gets results. You start with their on-demand lessons. They walk you through everything, the social media strategy, the PPC campaigns, all that stuff from before. There's no fluff. It's just like real strategies that real companies, use every day. Then you get to the marketing tasks. These aren't just practice assignments. They're guided by that former Fortune 500 exec, and they're designed to go straight onto your resume as legitimate experience. On top of that, you get one-on-one coaching to help fine-tune your resume, as well as nail your interview answers and optimize your LinkedIn so recruiters actually notice you exist. Everything is self-paced and flexible, so you can fit it around your life. Whether you're working full-time, you're part-time in school, or you're job hunting full-time. Just stay consistent, follow their steps, and you'll be job ready a lot faster than you think. Whether you're just getting started here in digital marketing or you're a small business owner looking to sharpen your skills, JobPrepped has options that fit different needs and different budgets. The main program runs about $899. It's a one-time payment. If you'd rather spread it out, there's a monthly option for $57 a month. Either way, you get access to the whole suite. The on-demand videos, the projects, the personalized feedback, the career coaching. Since it's all self-paced, you can learn whenever it fits your schedule without the stress. For small business owners or freelancers who want something like more tailored, they've got a special package, but that one comes in at $2,499. This one goes deep, like real deep, into marketing strategies and tools specifically for either growing your own business or freelancing for others. No matter which option you pick, you get instant access and plenty of time to finish everything. There's no hidden fees or surprises. The pricing is straightforward. You know where you stand. By the way, if you're considering JobPrepped, check out the link in the description below. For most products we talk about, we have special deals that you wouldn't be able to get if you went straight to their website. Okay, so their hands-on approach is definitely the big plus. It makes it worth it. You're not watching videos about marketing theory. You're, completing real tasks. They build up your experience. Shocker of the century, but it helps when you're trying to explain to employers what you can do if you've actually done it before. Having that personalized coaching from a former 500 marketing exec makes a difference as well. Getting feedback on your work, your resume, your interview skills, it really boosts your confidence and it helps you stand out from other candidates. Now, some students have mentioned that feedback could be more detailed at times. It's still helpful direction, especially for beginners who are figuring out digital marketing, but sometimes I hear you want a bit more depth in the guidance. And that hands-on experience, it is built around program-based projects rather than actually working with, real-life clients. That said, the tasks are designed to pretty strictly mirror real-world scenarios, so you are still building a profile that shows employers you can handle actual marketing responsibilities. It's absolutely a strong choice if you want structured learning combined with practical tasks and coaching. Just keep in mind that when it comes out to the real job market, you might want to add some real-world projects when you can. So when I was researching this, the other one that I was looking at was Career Foundry. It's the probably 1 and 2 options, but between the two, it really depends on your situation and your timeline. If speed is what you're after and you want to start applying for marketing jobs in just a few weeks, JobPrepped is the way to go. It's quick, it's focused, and it won't destroy your budget at around $900. But if you're looking to go deep, more comprehensive, a guided journey with mentorship, career coaching, and even a job guarantee, Career Foundry brings more of the full package. It just comes with a way higher price tag and a much longer timeline. If you're trying to break into digital marketing without spending a fortune or taking months out of your life, JobPrepped is worth considering. The hands-on experience, personal coaching, and real-world tasks you can list on your resume make it a practical choice for beginners or career switchers. Now, it's not magic, don't get me wrong. You still got to put in consistent effort. But if you are ready to commit to that, this can be the boost you need to land that first job or grow your skills as a business. And just a reminder, if you're checking out JobPrepped, use the link in the description. We usually have special deals that you wouldn't find if you went straight to their website. If you're stuck between entry-level job listings asking for experience and courses that just don't give you any, I hope this gave you some clarity and maybe a little motivation as well. Drop a comment below if you've got questions about JobPrepped or the job search process. And if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. I'll catch you in the next one.